Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through yet another book flip through because a lot of books came out in March and I had set all the pre-orders and then they all started arriving and I'm like, oh yeah, forgot about that. So Leila Duly is on a roll. Like she had her book and then kind of just, disappeared. And then she started coming out with these ones that are bigger. This is pretty long. In fact, I have a video on my channel of the last one. Try to remember to put that at the end screen for you to click on it. But now her latest is Walk in the Woods. And, ooh, that's a shame. The title page got glued to the cover. So that's a bummer. I mean, the thick cover, great paper. These things are huge, so keep that in mind. Sewn in, not glued in. Always appreciate that. Because the pages just fold more naturally, especially for like these double page spreads. Ooh, this is pretty. This is going to be so pretty. And I like the quotes too. Makes you want to like do something for the whole background though, right? Otherwise you just color this and what? It's white. Or you could make the background come and just kind of fade away over here. I just can't leave that white. I feel like it's just not right. Like these. Her style has not changed. It's like literally her style. I recognize the leaves instantly, the flowers, all that good stuff, which is always comforting. Because it can suck when their style changes. I really like that one. I don't color in her stuff nearly enough, and I need to. Good paper, really smooth, not much tooth to it, but I don't like toothy paper. If you do, then you might find this paper a little smooth. I can tell you just from the feel of it, polys would be fine, Prisma would be fine. Brute Fooners, definitely. Black Widow might feel a little scratchy here and there, depending on what Black Widow you're using. Oh, I like that. Let's see, other pencils. Just kind of depends on your preference, but I mean, they'll all work well. My two go-tos, of course, are Prisma and Polychromos, and both I know would work fine on this paper. Oh gosh, this would be so fun to color. This one's pretty tiny and intricate, so that might be a little hard. Oh, that's super cute. And more intricate ones here. I like that. For some reason, I really love the berries she creates. Don't ask me why, because Klara Markova has like a bajillion berries in every book of hers. And yet here I am like, I like this one better. That would be a fun double page spread to tackle. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like that one. Very pretty. I'm not a big fan of these tiny circles with a lot of detail. Not sure how I would tackle those. I'm not a fan of tiny spaces and lots of detail. There are moments I get in the mood for it, but rarely. This one would be okay, because this is a little bit more like a easier to tackle thing. Plus, I would do it in the same color scheme, because obviously it's zooming in on over here. Not that I see the mouse over here. Maybe he's hiding in behind everything. Ooh, look at that one. That would be so fun for fall. Oh yeah, I like that one. That one's a little bit tight with the line work. That would take some time for sure. Oh, I like these two. I just love the size of this book too. It is beefy. Now this is a little pricier, but you are actually getting good paper. So always value the paper, please. Paper makes such a big difference. I like that as well. It's beautiful. But yeah, a good cover, great paper, great sewn in quality. And then of course her artwork. The book is huge. So just things to keep in mind when you look at the price tag of the book. Now everything, if you have noticed, has started to go up in price, but that's just due to numerous reasons that I don't need to get into, but yeah. And then it looks like we have the species list, which is great. She does this in all of her books. She'll give you the like animals, but also the flowers, leaves, berries, whatever it is. She will tell you what they are, so you can go look them up. And again, this is in all her books. You can go look them up and get the colors. So if you wanted to make these more realistic, you could, and it's great for practice. I mean, because to be honest, some of these things I wouldn't have known, like a saffron milk cap. Never would have guessed that. So, and then these right here, oh, see, this is a pain. It's glued to my title or my back cover, but it does say about the writers where she featured those quotes. And then of course you've got this gorgeous dust cover. It's permanent, so I guess it's not really a dust cover, it's just a cover. You could totally color this too. But yeah, that is Walk in the Woods, yet another awesome release by Leila Duly. Love to know if you ended up buying this one and what you thought. I personally think anything that she comes out with, especially because I know the book quality and her art style, I just auto buy. But I'm always curious because she's not really a very popular adult coloring book artist, simply because, you know, she came out with her one and then kind of took a while to come out with more. But now that she is, maybe she'll start becoming more popular. So definitely let me know if you snagged this or if you're just interested in it, or your thoughts on Leila Duly's work. Anyway, I'm always curious to hear what people think. So until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.